Everyone, I am Abhishek from Triple Department. I am going to discuss about usage of computer. The usage of computer is in every field, or we can say that it any field where the paperwork is there. As the technology is rapidly moving, people use the computer more and more simple tasks. Many people use the computer for communication. It also used in science, education, medicine, engineering, entertainment, business, banking, etc. This is the list of computer uses: science, education, medicine, engineering, entertainment, communication, business, application, banking, and others. And this is the usage in science field. The main impact of computer on science promises to come not in its role as a powerful research instrument but rather as an active participant in the development of scientific theories. The form of computing which uses DNA, biochemistry, and molecular biology reading blood group. And this is the figure you can see where we are using computer in science. And the second usage in education field. Computer technology has had a deep impact on the education sector. Thanks to computers, imparting education has become easier and much more interesting than before. Storage of information, quick data processing, audio visual aids in teaching, better presentation of information, access to the internet, quick communication between students, teacher, and parents. And also here you can see where we are using the computer in education. Usage in medicine field. The use of computer technology has greatly enhanced the medical field. This is particularly so in hospital environments where reliability and quality are critical factors. Many computers applications such as patient information systems, monitoring and control systems, and diagnostic systems have been used to enhance healthcare. The medical problem associated with computer related work is carpal tunnel syndrome. And this is the one more figure to where how we are using the computer in medicine in medical field. And uses of computer in engineering. The engineering field uses computers a lot for adding the types of detail and precise process used to perform various tasks. The primary software for engineer computers is called computer aided engineering software of CAD software. Usage of computer in entertainment. Load your music CDs into your computer disk drive to play music on your computer speakers. You can also listen to free online radio station at any time. Your computer has internet access. Install game software that you can play on your computer. You can play some games in your internet browser for free at websites such as shockwave.com. Some websites even offer free streaming episodes of certain TV series with internet commercials with the use of newer HD televisions and computers. These are the figures of entertainment fields. We are using computer, gaming. Usage of computer in communication field. The communication field is the first one. We are communication to each one person to other persons by email, chat. Email, short for electronic mail, is perhaps the most common computer-based technology used to communication. It allows us to send and receive messages and files by a specific address unique to the other user and keep records of the communication taking place. And for chat, why instant messaging or community that rooms allows user to adopt a handle for quick short message transmission in real time. We can send the any message from me to any persons by any time by chat, email. Computer in business application. Computer have become requirement in the business industry. Computer easily complete duties that are tedious and timely for humans. The business usage of computers are extensive. Accounting, customer interaction, communication, and this is the figure of where we are using computer in business field.